This is the boat that came in, and it has been giving us multiple problems. This is the one that was at another shop twice a week for 6 weeks. I don't know how many balls there are in this boat. 1, 2, 3. So they thought they had a ball problem, and so they replaced it. I don't know which one they used, but they're not even proud enough to put their name on it. So, and the inlet is really small. If I popped it apart, you'd see it. But no matter, we'd run it, and it sucked the ball flat. And so the only thing between there and the tank and the gas was the pickup. So here's the pickup we pulled off of it. If you notice, the bottom's flat. If you notice, the tube's bent. So we measured the depth of the tank, and the depth of the tank, it was sitting on the bottom. So it was obstructing the fuel. Most of those, this isn't OEM. Someone cut that off and made it shorter to go in the tank, and didn't put the notch in there to allow it to not sit on the bottom. So basically what was happening is the pickup was sitting on the bottom of the tank, and that's why it's bent like that. If I push down, you see how it bends? It was pushing down on the bottom. You can see the tank is actually collapsed. And with the tank collapsing, this was sitting on the bottom, obstructing the flow. They took out the anti-siphon valve, which should have been in there, and probably thinking that was obstructing it. So we were getting an obstruction in the fuel coming out of the tank because this was sitting on the bottom because the tank had collapsed, and it didn't have the little cutout that allows the gas to be sucked up when it's sitting on the bottom of the tank. We just got back from a lake trip. We're gonna we've already videoed it, and I'll upload the video of it on the lake test because we used our tank.